Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to start odd and even numbers. As we have already done odd and even numbers in our previous class and in our previous units. So let's recap and continue the chapter. So today we are going to learn what are an odd numbers and even numbers. So, an odd number is a number that cannot be divided into two equal groups. Odd numbers ends in 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And what is an even number? An even number is a number that can be divided into two equal groups. Even number ends in 2, 4, 6, 8. As we have seen, even numbers ends in 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. There are some examples. Examples 4, 56, that is 6 in the ones column, so it is an even number. As we know, whatever number which is in the ones column, if it is 2, 4, 6, 8, then it is an even number, and if the numbers in the ones column are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, then they are odd numbers. Now we can see some examples which is given over here. That is, in even numbers we can see 4 is an even number. In 56, 6 in the ones column, so it is an even number. And 730, that is 0, which is in the ones column, is 0, so it is an even number. That means 730 is fully an even number. So on, like odd numbers, we know that if in the ones column, if there is 1, 3, 5 and 7, then it is an odd number. So there are some examples like 9, 83 and 641. So in 9, we are having in ones column 9, so it is an odd number. And in 83, 3 is under ones column, so it is an odd number. Then 641, 1 is under the ones column, so it is an odd number. Now here we can see two charts. There is two persons. One boy name is Steven and Todd. Steven is having the numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. And Todd is having the numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now, Steven says that everyone has a partner. And Todd says that everyone does not have a partner. Steven says all the numbers are having their friends. And Todd is saying that they do not have any friends. Now we can see the numbers in the column Steven, that 2. Now we can pair this number into group. We can equally divide into 2. Like 1 and 2, it is a pair. Now 4. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. We can divide number 4 into two groups or two pairs. Likewise 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have divided number 6 into three pairs or three groups. Now comes 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we have divided the number 8 into 4 equal groups or 4 equal pairs. Likewise, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We are having over here 5 equal pairs. So in this column we can see that each number can be divided or can be broken up into pairs of 2. We can make the numbers into two pairs. They are not alone, they can form pairs, so they are known as even numbers, as we have read previously. Now we are coming to the totes column. Over here, tote is having 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So let us see, we can make pairs or not. If we can make pair, it is an even number. If we cannot make pairs, it is an odd number. So the first number is 1. We cannot make any pair because it is only 1. Now the second number is 3. 1, 2 and 3. We can make the pair of the first 2 balls, but the third ball is remaining alone. So we cannot make the pair. So 1, 2, 3. That means number 3 is an odd number. Likewise, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can only make 2 pairs, and number 5th number is standing alone. So number 5 is also an odd number. Likewise, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we can make 1 group, 2 group, 3 group. But the number 7 is standing alone, so we cannot make the group. That means number 7 is an odd number. Likewise, number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So we can make 1 group, 2 group, 3 group, 4 group. But number 9 is standing alone. So number 9 is an odd number. Now I am going to tell you a small story. There was a dance competition going on. It was special kind of competition in which people could participate in the group of 2 or pairs. So it was couple dance competition. So there were 12 people who have formed their own groups and they were participating in the competition. So we can see in the image that there are 12 people standing together. Now suddenly Mr. 11 comes and he feels very lonely and sad because he does not have any partner whom he can dance with. He was very sad and he was feeling very odd out here because he cannot take part in the competition. As he needs a partner with him to take part in the competition, so he was thinking that what he could do. Now let us see what happens here. First, Mr. 1 came. He was alone. He was feeling odd. But then Miss 2 came and they formed a pair and took part in the competition. After that, Mr. 3 came and he also felt very odd because he could not participate alone in the competition. Till the time Mrs. 4 came. they formed a pair and participate in the competition. So now they are even. That is then they can participate in the competition. Same happened with Mr. 5. When he came, he was all alone and he was feeling very out that he is unable to participate in the competition. Till the time Miss 6 comes and now they form a pair. Now similar in the case with Mr. 7 and suddenly Miss 8 comes. And they form a pair and took part in the competition. Then similarly Mr. 9 comes and Mr. 9 was also feeling very lonely and very sad, seeing that everybody was having a pair and he was alone. Till then Miss 10 comes and they pair up and they took part in the competition. But suddenly what happens? Mr. 11 comes and he also saw that there are the pairs, so many pairs standing, but he was the only man who does not have any pair and he was feeling very sad. So after that what happens? Miss 12 arrives and Miss 12 and Mr. 10 makes up a pair and they took part in the competition. So Mr. 11 is no more feeling odd and they took part in the competition. Now they are all even like all the participants. Now all are in groups of 2. Now similar case is with the numbers. Even numbers also feel odd when they are alone or when they cannot be grouped into 2. So if we look at these numbers 1 to 8, they are 2 types of numbers. I have 1, 3, 5 and 7. These numbers cannot be grouped in 2 numbers. So these numbers are called odd numbers. And I have the numbers 2, 4, 6, 8. As we know, we can break these numbers into groups of 2 numbers as we have seen earlier. Such numbers are called even numbers. This is very important concept in arithmetic. So every numbers that you have learnt can either be called odd numbers or even numbers. Take any number that will be odd or even depending on whether it can be broken down into groups of 2. So these are odd and even numbers. Can you name 4 parts of our body that are in pairs? That are eyes, ears, hands, legs. Now let us see this odd and even chart. In the left hand corner we can see there is odd numbers and in the right hand side we can see the even numbers. So let us read out the odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, 31, 33, 35, 37, 39, 41, 43, 45, 47, 49, 51, 53, 55, 57, 59, 61, 63, 65, 67, 69, 71, 73, 75, 77, 79, 81, 83, 85, 87, 89, 91, 93, 95, 97, 99. So these are the numbers up to 100. Now let us see the even numbers. Now let us read the even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98 and 100. So these are the numbers which are up to 100, and we have divided the numbers into odd and even. As we know, 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9, these ends in odd numbers, and even number ends in 2, 4, 6, 8. Now let us do some exercises. The first exercise is to identify the odd or even number. Number A. Circle the odd number. Circle the even number. Multiple choice question is greatest even number, and you have to find the smallest odd number. Now let us see the answers. The answers will be 91, 43, 37, 83, 25, 17, 69, 55, 99, 81, 75. Likewise, the evens are 38, 14, 96, 60, 72, 20, 62, 44, 82, 10, 56, 34 and 78. The greatest even number is 36 and the smallest odd number is 39. Now comes the rest exercise. Thank you.